Without using a calculator, evaluate the following, showing all workings clearly. So the very first step that you need to show would then be that if I minus a negative, I would then have to, it will become a positive. And we can also simplify the things inside the bracket first. So this one will give me a value of negative 11. And we still have the multiplication times 2. Okay, so next, looking at plus, plus and multiply, we should do the multiplication first, meaning we will have to have the negative 11 multiplied by 2 first. So here I continue to write as 6 plus 21 plus negative 11 times 2 will give me negative 22. And again, since I have a plus, negative, I will then need to simplify that first. And this will give me negative 22. And I continue to simplify. This will give me 27 minus 22. And final answer, 5. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.